Welcome to our machine shop. Back here we've got lathes and mills. Your parts are going to start life as pre-cut material here. We're going to bring them into the machine shop. CNC lathes here. We've got a live tool lathe, bar feed option. As we come back into here, we've got multiple seats of programming software. We've got 5 full-time employees running the machine shop. We've got a 4th axis mill, another smaller mill with a 20-inch bed, and we've got a 60-inch bed large mill, the feeler here. So as you come on back here, you can see some of these parts that we're making. So we've got a lot of high-end, high-precision parts that we make. So for example, we're making a mount for a vehicle right now. Our perfect job is a volume job, so we're really looking for, let's say, anything from prototype to maybe a few thousand parts per week. I wouldn't call ourselves high volume where we're tens of thousands of parts per week, but we're definitely looking for that low to medium volume area. So we make a lot of parts like these right here, where we've got burnished holes, and we're holding 1 2/10 tolerance on these holes. So this is for like a oilless seal that goes into here. We also make these little parts here. It's a firearm part. We make these by the thousands. We make these for a customer, whereas like these parts are made for ourselves. These customer parts are a really good situation for us because we can fill in our voids in our machine time, and we literally run these by the thousands. Now, being a little bit different machine shop, we'll actually stock these parts for the customer so that we have these on the shelf in hundreds and they just buy them off of us, which helps us eliminate lead time for the customer. So we're definitely looking for those types of situations. That's the same to be true with these vehicle mounts here. Is we'll stock these on the shelf. We'll do like a blanket order with the customer, and we'll build these ahead of time so that the customer doesn't see a lead time.